What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, City Boy Farming. In this video, we're processing 2 roosters. They're in there. They're getting a little vicious and hostile in there, and you can see the egg. Oh my gosh, the egg is in there. So I'm just gonna get ready to process them. So this is the processing area I have so far, but I will be doing the extreme processing part in that area. I'll show you what that look like, and we already know slit throat and all that other stuff. But I just got the cooler, table, bags, knife, pots, so everything coming along. So I'm about to go and run and get some ice so I can put it in there so they can have a nice ice bath. I'm saying it like they're gonna enjoy it, but I am letting y'all know this is the day I'm processing 1 and 2. They looking good already. Anyways, that's about it. So let's get to it. All right, so this is the redneck / getaway. I don't know how we explain this. This is a traffic cone that I got because I don't have a kill cone. So I just got it for the chicken. But how I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna just take a knife and just slit this part of the throat or jugular on both ends. See, he's starting to go to sleep. So this is the humane way. This is a rooster, by the way. So I'm gonna put this in where y'all can see it. Hopefully it'll be a great angle, but I'm just showing y'all what I use so far. And yeah, full of dirt just to catch the blood. I don't know if you can see that. And it's good nutrients for the plant, so I'm always gonna keep it. Got the knife, grab it. That's where you wanna cut it. Hope I won't get no splashback, but here it go. Gone now. There you go. That's the muscles retracting. All right, so this is the next part. I got the temperature around 148 degrees. So the best way to tell they ready to be plucked is when you pull on a feather and it should come off. So I'm dipping in there. Hold his feet. Wash it. I meant to put Dawn dish soap in there, but it never got in there. So let me see if I can. I forgot. It's to help it get it off. So I'm trying to submerge it all the way. This water kind of hot. I need a tool. You don't want it too long. You don't want to cook the chicken. All right. Should be easy to come off now. I'm gonna get the plucking. This is what I have to go through to process it, because I don't have a chicken plucker. So I got to do this by hand. And this is a long process. Got to get every single pin. Starting to stiffen up a little. That's okay. We can get it together. Got to get under the armpits. Make sure it's all nice and good. I have to get the water hose and spray. But at least I ain't cooked the chicken this time, like I did last time. Now it's just little tiny tedious feathers. That's really it. The neck part I really don't care because I'm just cut it off. Don't want the neck. Blood on it, that's cool though. But I just wanted to show y'all this is a tedious job right here. So if you want to throw a gift my way like a chicken plucker out, that would be lovely. I'm just throwing that out there. You never know. Somebody might do it. All right. I got as much as I could off. So far, yeah. Let me see. Can I do? If I can get the throat and the windpipe. Get your finger to get in there. But That's what you want to pull out, is this. Boom. So now when I do the bottom, so it's basically a windpipe. So now when I do the bottom, all of it should be able to come out. So hopefully I can show y'all that. Hopefully I'm getting a good angle. I'm not really sure. I don't have a camera person right now, but it'd be nice if I did. So a small little cut, not too deep. That you can go in there, cut it wide open. So this is where you want to take your hand, go in and take your hand and scoop and pull out. You should be able to get all like the guts and stuff. This is not a meat chicken, so it should be a scoop and pull. This is why you want to pull out the windpipe or esophagus. Put everything out on the table. There we go. Everything's done properly. Y'all know what I forgot to do? I forgot to cut off the legs. So you want to cut it at the joint. My knife I was just using. Oh, okay. Here, right here. Boom. This one. Two. This is a good one. Boom. Do it like that. Just making sure I'm cleaning it all properly. All right, so I got all the guts and stuff out. I'm about to, before I put it in the ice bath, I will rinse it off through all the other debris and stuff, just to make sure everything nice and cleaned out. But everything looks great. Good cleaned inside chicken. I don't know if you can see that. Like I said, I don't have a camera person, so hopefully I'm getting great angles. But yeah, just make sure you do a good deep clean on these things. Just cleaning it off from the feathers and stuff that was on here. Got to get the inside, make sure the inside nice and clean. Don't matter, don't worry if water getting here because it's going in the ice bath. So when it's just sitting in the ice bath, we will be prepping for the shrink bag, the shrink wrap bag. So just getting a nice little rinse off. Yeah. So again, this is like my second time doing this, so I'm not no expert, but I think I did way better than the first time. So what I'm gonna do now is place it inside the cooler. And I'm gonna have to clean this mess up. All right, my phone died, so I'm using a different phone, so I don't know if the graphics or high quality will change. But anyways, I have it at 180. So now this is what I'm using. Is this bag right here. Bag right here. Now place the chicken inside. After I wash it, first is place the chicken in head first, like so. So you want it just like this. See if you can see it, just like that. And place it inside. The straw will release all the air on the inside. So you want to dump it. I got a pole, so I'm gonna dump it. Not too hot. So this is how you shrink wrap it. Do it just like that a couple times. And take it out. Boom. Nice and tight. Take the straw out. Got yourself some wrapped chicken. Now I still got some water come out, but boom, that look pretty good. Awesome. All right. Like I said, I'm not no expert. This is my second time doing this. I feel like the second time is way better than the first time. I'm learning by experience, so please bear with me. No judgment here, but I think this is pretty good. I like it. Costco. All right, everybody. This is the frozen chicken, and it's nice and done. I think I did a pretty great job, if you ask me. So, I don't know. This is like my second time processing the chicken, so I'm still learning as much as I can. But I am so super excited that I was able to get this far, bag it properly, and store it in the freezer. It's frozen because I just took it out the freezer, so I had to show y'all exactly how it is. But yeah, I'm excited about this. So, I mean, what else can I do? But if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Get notified when I post more videos. Again, this is City Boy Farming. Thanks for watching. Peace.